Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Shri Rama Bharti Public School. This is Natasha here and today we will be discussing about the rock cycle. In previous lessons we discussed about the types of rocks that make up the earth's crust, and they are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. In this video we will discuss about the transformation of rock from one form to another, and that is called rock cycle. So from rock cycle, some of you might be thinking about another natural process called water cycle. If you are, well, yes, it is somewhat similar to water cycle. In water cycle, the form of water keeps on changing. How? During evaporation, water changes into water vapor. It condenses and forms clouds. Further, it again returns to the earth through precipitation, and thus the form of water keeps on changing. Similarly, in rock cycle, one type of rock changes to another type of rock under certain conditions in a cyclic manner. Cyclic manner means to get to the point from where we started. Correct? And this process of transformation of rock is called rock cycle. When rock changes its form from one to another, it is known as rock cycle. Now, how does this cycle take place? So the first step is magma cools down, it solidifies and becomes igneous rocks. When there is a volcanic eruption, lava flows down through it, it cools down, it solidifies, it becomes solid and leads to the formation of igneous rocks. When these igneous rocks undergo erosion or when they break down and get transported in the form of sediments, they lead to the formation of sedimentary rocks. So when erosion occurs on igneous rocks, it leads to formation of sedimentary rocks. And further, when heat and pressure is applied on sedimentary rocks, it leads to the formation of metamorphic rocks. Correct? So, igneous rocks leads to the formation of sedimentary rocks, and when heat and pressure is applied on sedimentary rocks, it leads to the formation of metamorphic rocks. Now, I just mentioned that a cycle is where when we reach the point from where we started. So, igneous is getting converted into sedimentary, sedimentary is getting converted into metamorphic. So the cycle to get completed, metamorphic needs to get changed into igneous as well. Then only the cycle will get complete. Correct? Now, question arises, how does metamorphic rock gets converted into igneous rock? To understand this, have a look at this cycle. Through volcanic eruption, igneous rocks are formed. The lava cools down, it solidifies and leads to formation of igneous rocks. Igneous rocks undergo erosion. It forms sediments and leads to formation of sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks undergo pressure and heat, and it leads to formation of metamorphic rocks. Now, what happens is, we all know metamorphic rocks are formed by constant application of pressure as well as heat. Correct? Now the magma present in mantle, it also keeps up eating this layer. Yes, it keeps on merging this layer of metamorphic rocks into itself. It keeps on eating this layer. So what happens is the layer of metamorphic rocks keeps getting mixed with mantle and keeps getting formed into magma as well. So the metamorphic rocks leads to formation of magma in this way. And metamorphic rocks, since it leads to magma, the magma again flows out through volcano during volcanic eruptions in the form of lava and again leads to the formation of igneous rocks. In this way, the cycle gets completed. And thus, we can say that rock cycle is a cycle in which the form of rock gets changed from one to another. So that's it for the video today. We will discuss about democracy in next chapter. Till then, everyone stay safe, stay healthy, and have a good day.